In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature fields to Google Docs via PandaDoc. We'll start in Google Docs, move your document into PandaDoc, add the signature fields you need, send it out for e-signature, and then wrap up with a few ways to save and reuse your setup. Make sure you have a finalized Google Doc and access to a PandaDoc account so you can follow along smoothly. First, prepare your Google Doc. Read through the content and lock down the final wording so you're not editing after fields are placed. Remove any comments or suggestion mode markups, and keep your fonts and spacing consistent so fields line up neatly later. Leave clear space where signatures will go, usually a few blank lines with labels like signature, printed name, title, and date. If your document is long, consider placing the signature section on its own page for a clean layout. When everything looks good, save your doc. Next, upload to PandaDoc. Sign in, create a new document, and upload your file or import it directly from Google Drive. PandaDoc will process the file and render it for field placement. Give it a moment, then double check that the page count and formatting match your original. If you see any unusual spacing, try re-uploading from a docx or PDF export for the most reliable layout. Now add signature fields. Open the fields panel and drag a signature field onto the exact line where you want someone to sign. Assign that field to the correct recipient so PandaDoc knows who is responsible. Add supporting fields like date, full name, title, or initials, and mark required fields so signers can't skip them. For agreements with more than one signer, place a separate signature field for each person and assign each field to the right recipient. Take a moment to align everything. Snap guides help keep fields straight, and you can fine-tune field sizes in the Properties panel. When you're done, use the quick preview to confirm placement. Then send for signature. Add your recipients, set a signing order if one person needs to sign before another, and include a concise message that tells them what the document is about and what you need from them. Turn on reminders or an expiration date if timing matters. Preview once more, then send. Your recipients will get a secure link to sign, and you can track the document's status in PandaDoc. Finally, customize and save. If you plan to reuse this document, save it as a template with your fields already positioned. Give it a clear name and optionally add branding like your logo and colors. From now on, you can open the template, update the specifics, and send in minutes.